weißt jetzt, was den Leuten entgeht, gell? Die was nicht ans von hinfahren. Gut, gut schon.
Can you see us or you're too close?
Da wird nicht die Stallung, ha?
He's looking at you right now because he can see you as much as we can see him. There's nothing stopping him from seeing us. If you can observe him quite clearly, you will see that on top of his head, he's got this strong.
Was sagst du denn?
Oh wow.
Das sind die richtigen. Und jetzt was Komisches. Normalerweise krochen die ja irrsinnig, gell? Immer im.
You can see some bongos. Bongos are the four stand. Then way out here to your right, that is the Okapi. Or right on down here to your left, you can see some yellow-billed stork. If you two have any wildlife spotting tips for us, we'd love to hear it. A newborn baby, when a baby's born, it does weigh about 85 pounds. And then once it does become full grown, it will weigh about 5,000 pounds. And most people think when the hippos are underneath the water that they're actually swimming, but they're not. If you take a look down there to your left and to your right, you will see some. They do get to be about 20.
Country, drive carefully.
The termite mounds are made up of termites almost. And then once the elephants have worn them down, the antelopes will use them as a lookout. Looks like we've got back towards us.
She gave birth a while ago to a new...
Well, it did take Big Red 22 months to have Little Red. Here's another giraffe right. Well, I still don't see Big Red or Little Red anywhere. Well, here you can see some more giraffes, as where the black rhinos do have a pointy upper lip. And the white rhinos do weigh about a ton more, and they're not quite as aggressive. Alright, well, let's keep our eyes open for that jeep that Wilson was in. There's some more white rhinos, another baby one down here.
Okay, you head there. Roger. Zimmerman, we must stop the poachers. I am landing at Pangani Forest to block off the east end. If you're coming from the west, we could charm them.
Please, everyone, we need your help.
Take a look out there to your right. You can see some female ostriches.
Yeah, look at the ostrich. I saw.
There's some female ostrich eggs out there. Whoa. He got a little spooked. Alright, Alright, let's get out of here. Let's try to find these poachers.
Just take.
Oh my gosh. Busy. Alright, hopefully Wilson's got them.
Step into our trap.
Let's have Big Red. She'll be fine.
Hey, is Little Red safe? Play Santa Sana, everyone.
Aha. Dann darf ich nicht mehr viel tun. Sagt schon. Nicht nur, wenn du es siehst.
Let me take a picture.